Hey, so Sellerboard Enterprise. I was asked a few times if there is a solution for enterprise kind of big level sellers from Sellerboard. Sellerboard is profit analytic and inventory management software for Amazon sellers. Yes, there is. It's called an enterprise plan, as you can see here. In the description, you're going to have a free trial of 2 months for Sellerboard that will fit this plan as well. So basically, the free trial in the description is going to fit each and every plan. So no matter the size of your business, you can still use Sellerboard with a free trial in the description. It's an extended free trial for 2 months instead of 1 month. And also, there's a free kind of video that shows you how to use Sellerboard from A to Z. Now, if you're an enterprise level seller and you have more than 50,000 orders per month and you need more than what's kind of given here in the basic sort of enterprise level plan, click here on need more. You can talk to the guys at Sellerboard and they will give a specific solution for you and your agency or your whatever you are. Maybe you're a huge aggregator and you need the solution, so they'll help you. I would appreciate if you kind of mention my name, Vova Evan. In this way, you'll be able to support my free content because I'm going to get a little commission from the deal that you're going to do with Sellerboard. And also there's an email here, support@sellerboard.com. You can message them and drop a message to support@sellerboard.com. Say that you're an enterprise level seller, you're looking for a solution. And of course, again, you have the special link in the description to use Sellerboard. You can pay monthly or you can pay annually, up to you. Of course, annually will save you way more money. And there's the free video that shows you how to use Sellerboard from A to Z. And I wish you a great day. So if you're an enterprise level seller, again, there's a special enterprise plan, but that's just the name of the plan. If you need way more than what's here, check out this button, need more here. Or as I mentioned, just drop a message to the guys at support@sellerboard.com. They're going to help you. Mention my name, Vova Evan. I would truly appreciate that. And even if you don't do it, it's completely fine. The goal is for you to thrive with your agency or enterprise level business, aggregator, whatever you are. Keep going, and thank you very much. All the links are in the description for you. Have a great day.